We want people to come here and to be able to experience all levels of wellness, being able to expand on their fitness, expand on their relaxation. Incorporating wellness into this particular resort is a mainstay. You can look around the space. It is incredible. And the way it's designed, all the textures, all the materials used, all the marble. When you have a space like this, where we have the ability to offer a lot more activities, we can offer a different experience here than other locations. We're communal in a lot of ways. And that is something that you don't see in a lot of places. Most people segregate, men and women so that they can have their privacy. We have that, of course, but I had that request a lot. Is there any place we can all hang out? The ability to spend time together is a unique environment. Not every resort has the co-ed space as we do, and we plan to take full advantage of it for all our guests. When guests arrive at a spa, they may not always be in the right headspace to receive and relax. And if you think about what a spa offers, and especially when they have a wonderful amenity like our aquathermal circuit here, we have an ice room, we have a cold plunge, we have steam room and sauna, we have a vitality hot tub as well, and that helps us get through vasophasing, meaning vasoconstriction and vasoexpansion of the blood veins, and it pumps the body. When people do a circuit, when they go hot and then cold, it preps them for getting an amazing massage. And if I can get my guests into a relaxed state before they even get on the massage table, we're winning automatically. Being in this area for the last 12 years has allowed me to make some incredible connections. I've worked with some world-class therapists, and we've been able to bring them here to work with us. That's one of the things that makes this place so special. The most important thing in that space is the people that work in it, because it doesn't matter how beautiful it is, it matters how great the therapists are, how great the people that you're interacting with are. That's what really makes a spa special. I want anybody that recommends the spa to a guest to have the utmost confidence that we are going to execute at a very high level, and the guests are going to be thrilled with their experience with us.
Our overall wellness philosophy here at the JW Marriott Marco Island is just creating a beautiful oasis for our guests to escape. They are on vacation, they aren't living their day-to-day stressful lives, so we're trying to teach them tools to stay present. So throughout the day, we offer all sorts of times and availability for them to get present and just disconnect. We try to offer a little bit of everything for everybody, starting with early morning meditation, early morning beach yoga, as well as spin classes, aqua aerobics, and then one of my personal favorites is a sound bath. We do our sound bowl meditation several times a month, and what it does is it's sound vibrations. So our bodies are made of water, and the vibrations from the sounds will go through the body and clear the energy centers. They've been using sound for centuries as a form of healing. When people are done with it, it looks like they just slept for 5 days straight. They are very zen, so it's just a really nice way to reset you. Another great experience we have is doing our sailing and shelling, which is an experience where we can leave right here from the water. We get out on the sailboat. We will have an instructor out on the boat where we are doing a nice meditation, maybe a little bit of breath work, and there's nothing better. The boat is kind of rocking you into this really nice, beautiful meditative state, as well as using the beautiful environment, seeing the animal life that's coming through. We're always trying to get to know more about our guests and what it is they're seeking. Once we kind of find out what the reason is for their stay, maybe what their time frame is, and then we can kind of tailor it accordingly. At our spa here, we offer everything from hydrofacials to full body massages. Our culinary team has their own gardens. They grow their own herbs, so we're able to use them in our spa treatments, and they offer a lot of different food and beverage options for wellness as well.
I think we start right from the beginning with the design of our menus. Really, we look into the foundation of the menus and do our best to weave the culture of wellness into our menus. This is a Blue Zone certified area. Essentially what it is it's areas of the world where people live longer because of what they eat, because of where they live, the wellness activities that they do. So we take full advantage of that and embrace it and put it into the culture in our food here at the resort. We ensure that we incorporate grilling techniques as well as using olive oils, avocado oil, very natural oils, and very vegetable forward dishes to complement that. We're fortunate to be here in Southwest Florida, so we are very seafood forward. We incorporate lean proteins such as spiny lobster, as well as red snapper and grouper. And then, of course, very plant forward items like legumes, Florida citrus, of course, and very vegetable heavy foods. I feel that food brings people together, and here at JW Marriott Marco Island, we have an opportunity to do that. Because we have 14 restaurants on property, it really gives us the ability to be diverse, really venture across many different culinary experiences and create that experience for our guests.
Wellness is part of the guest experience here at LaPlaya because when a guest arrives to the resort, they see the Gulf, they feel the ocean breeze. The whole wellness aspect goes beyond just the spa. It's part of the whole experience. It's a time to pause, reset, and recharge. We offer beautiful massages and wonderful facials, but it goes beyond that. As part of our wellness offerings, we do provide fitness and yoga sessions out on the Gulf lawn. And our fitness center will support any fitness program that you might be interested in. With our infrared sauna, which promotes detoxification, it helps with circulation, muscle recovery. And what makes our infrared sauna unique as well is it is offered in a private room. It can be used as a special experience with couples, a party, and it can also even be used alone. It's wonderful to use after a workout for that muscle recovery. We have our Japanese ritual bath, which is kind of uncommon here on the Florida coastline. It's really wonderful to just really decompress, and it really just sets the mind for relaxation for you to enjoy the experience and disconnect with the world. Tropical Essence Rub is unique to our spa. We like to promote it as after sun recovery, and it's really wonderful for exfoliation of the skin. We offer a couple different services with just a scrub with a body butter application, or you can do the scrub on top of a massage, which really helps the whole process. For someone new to the spa, I would recommend our Noble Swedish Customized Massage. It's deeply relaxing. It really helps reset the body, and it's easy for a guest who has never had a massage to be comfortable. We do collaborate with other departments to create a whole sense of well-being, making sure the guest is taken care of. We want guests to see wellness not as an indulgence, but as an essential. The wellness experience here goes beyond the spa. It is introduced in our culinary experiences that we do offer.
As a chef, I define wellness in general, how you're gonna feel. What we're doing is to try to put healthier ingredients on the menu and provide something different for the guests. For example, for people to take a yoga class and then go to the spa for get a massage, they want to eat something healthier. I recommend the papaya bowl with berries, a yogurt, a Greek yogurt, or they can order, for example, the acai bowl. It's something that's gonna feed you well. You're not gonna feel heavy. You can still do something after that. For me as a chef, it's really important for us to provide something that can make their time better and slow down a little bit with the people that they love. And you get that experience here at LaPlaya Beach and Golf Resort.
Wellness is a lot of things, and the ability to take care of yourself in this chaotic world is vital. A lot of times people just go. They don't take any time for themselves. We have kind of a generic term for wellness out there, but I also think that it allows us to expand the meaning of it in a lot of ways too. So it doesn't always have to be just in a spa or just a yoga class.
We're very fortunate that we are located in Southwest Florida. Having a sunny day is our norm. The sun is extremely healing, getting that extra vitamin D. These are things that when people are coming here, especially in the winter months and those gray winter days, they come down here and they are just so happy to be out in the sun. Being able to get their feet in the sand, being able to ground, being able to get their toes into the water, super healing.
Being at these type of locations right here on the Gulf, it really helps you bring back to that mindset of being at peace with the ocean waves and the sea salt breeze. It really just helps you disconnect. With our beautiful sunsets, it really helps you realize just how important the little things are in life and be grateful every day.